Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with some friend mail from Karen. So Karen has been in my group for a while, and when I posted my last bargain bee box video, I was like, I can't stand these bicones, and she uses them, and she makes amazing stuff. So I sent her some bicones, and then she surprised me by sending me some stuff. So she sent me a really cute handmade card. It's so sweet. I love that. Paper crafting is one of my first loves, and it's just got such a sweet message in it. But she sent me some goodies, so I wanted to show you what she sent. I haven't really looked. I saw one thing, and then I was like, you know what? I want to save my reaction for the video. The first thing I'm seeing are some things that she made, and she used some of the bicones. Oh my gosh, look at this. I could never. This is so gorgeous. Thank you. This is perfect for winter too. Oh yeah, and she put on a little snowflake and a little extender clasp. That is so pretty. Thank you, Karen. This is gorgeous. See, she makes those bicones look amazing. And here's another one. Oh my goodness. My favorite color, turquoise. And she's used some super duos with the bicones. That is amazing. So talented. I just can't do this stuff. And I know many of you say I can't. Oh my gosh, look, there's a little boot. That is so cute. You know, I know you guys say I can, but like literally I can't because I don't want to. So that means I can't. And I maybe further on down the line I'll be able to, but I just am in awe of bead weavers. Oh my gosh, she sent even more. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is also kind of Southwestern. Beautiful crosses. These are really nice. Oh my gosh, and she put a little flower at the end. Karen, you're amazing. And I love this color combo. This is going to look so nice stacked with some of the other bracelets that I have. Oh my gosh, I can just see me stacking that with some like Heishi bracelets or some kind of stretch bracelets. And then she made earrings. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She is amazing. Go Karen. Good job. Those are beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, there's another piece in here that she made. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is like cherry blossoms or just flowers on a tree. This is stunning. And she put a little elephant on it. You guys know I love elephants. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so pretty. I can't believe so many people are just so talented. And if you haven't already, join my group because she posts her bracelets every once in a while. Thank you, Karen. Those are gorgeous. And then she sent me some goodies. So let's see what's in the goodie bag. She did not have to do this, and it was just so sweet that she did. She sent me some turquoise. I think Karen told me she used to live in Arizona too, and that she misses it. My goodness, look at those. Those are really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them so much. Little nuggets. Those are really cool. I don't think I have any that look like that are nuggets, but that's on that small scale. Those are really pretty. I can make something that would go with that bracelet. And we have some mookaite because I think she doesn't love mookaite, but she knows I love mookaite. So we have some, I think these are 6mm. Lots of yellows in there. I love that yellow. And then she sent me some chips. I'm so happy. You guys know the way to my heart. And then she sent some 10mm rounds. Thank you. Thank you. These are going to go in the hoard until I figure out what to do with them. I have so many ideas, just not enough time to get, I swear I have ADD and it hasn't been diagnosed, but two of my siblings have it. So it's got to be also in here. But I feel like I have too many ideas and they're all fighting to get out. And sometimes none of them win. So anyway, look at these Hamsa bead frames. So cool. You can put it, I think, an 8 or 6mm, probably a 6mm bead in there. I'm wondering if I can get a 6mm mookaite to fit. Oh, it's a little too big. So maybe 4mm beads will go in there. Oh my gosh, I love them. Love, love, love those. And then she sent me her Mookite wing. So now I have 2 yellow ones. I have to remember where I think I put it away already, but so cool. I love this. And I can't remember. I don't know if she put the bail on or if it came with the bail. I love that yellow. It makes me so happy. Look at these 2 together. Pretty. And then some bone beads. We know I love using bone beads. So cool. Thank you. Those would look good with the Mookite and the turquoise. Oh my goodness, it goes on. Oh, some Z beads. Thank you. I love these. Oh, look at those. I love those. Oh, I love the vocal so much. That's a pretty bracelet. I could actually just, you make all, this is a good little bracelet kit. That could go with the Mookite. That could go with several other types of beads that I already have. Actually, those look really good together. It looks like a little cute little bracelet kit if I just had, oh, here's another one I missed. Had like a few minutes, could just make a really cute, sweet stretch bracelet with those. Oh, and a red line jasper pendant. Oh, Goldie's coughing in the background. Wow, that is pretty. I love that there's some orange in it. Sometimes red line jasper is not my favorite because of just the red and the gray, but I love this one because it has the orange in it. This is nice. This is really nice. Thank you, Karen. And then she made a little pendant out of this little acrylic bead. It's gorgeous. Actually, yeah, that is acrylic, but it's still really pretty. I love this motif. I have a couple beads that are this motif, but not that really pretty royal blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Lovely. And then last but not least, she included several different types of clasps. So let's see what's going on here. And they're all toggles, and we know I love toggles. Okay, so this one's awesome. It's like a matte gold. Very pretty. Oh, a heart. I'm gonna use all of these for sure. Oh, I love this, like a little patinaed swirl. We know swirls are in this year. Oh, a teapot! I had some teapot bead frames, but never a teapot clasp. That is so cute. And the toggle's a spoon. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then we have a butterfly outline. Oh, cute. And then there's a tiny butterfly on the toggle. And then we have several different hearts because we all know I love hearts. So cute. And then another teapot, but in silver. And I just used one very similar to this in a video. I think that one was gold, so I'm so excited to have it in silver. And then, oh my gosh, I think I've seen these before. They're little cats and fish. So you get a cat charm, a cat head for the open ring part, and then a fish for the toggle. That is so cool. Thank you so much, Karen. You are so sweet. I just love everything so, so much. Oh, I missed these little check blue flowers. They're so pretty. Adorable. I love that color blue. It's like almost periwinkle, which I had a huge problem remembering the name of a couple days ago. And my favorite, everything's my favorite though, because she knows me and she watches my channel, but I think my favorite has to be this because it's just so beautiful. I can almost hang that on the wall. And this. They're just gorgeous. But I mean, I think all of my favorites are handmade stuff. Thank you so much, Karen. I love it when people send me the things that they've made because it's just like I own somebody's like handmade art now. Like this is an art piece to me. It's not just a piece of jewelry, and I'm going to treasure it forever. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Everybody let Karen know what you think about her beautiful handiwork, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.